This great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear air, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.